to get up and get ready. I'm still so sleepy. Turn this alarm off because it's annoying. It always bothers me. I need to go use the bathroom. Alright, all done. Flush the toilet. Perfect. Go wash my hands. Alright. I'm still really tired. I put my phone right here. Go brush my teeth. Alright. Get my toothbrush. My toothpaste. I'm really tired. I wish I could just stay in. Anyway, I'll brush my teeth. Alright. Finally done brushing my teeth. Put my toothbrush back and the toothpaste. Alright. Now I'll turn off the water and let me go. Pick out my clothes. What do I want to wear today? This looks cute. I'll get it and then I'll go put it on my bed right here. And then I'll probably wear it when I get out of the tub. Alright, it's time to take me a bath. Finally in the bath. Relaxing. I need to get me a face mask though. My face feels dry. Let me see. Alright, got a face mask right here. Put it on. Yeah, that's relaxing. They should have made me something to drink before I got in here. It's fine. I'll get out soon. Time to get out. Get a bath bomb. Perfect. Ooh, this smells nice and relaxing. Alright, I think it actually is time to get out now. Take this face mask off, throw it away. Alright, finally. Throw that away. And let me get my skincare. This cream. Oh, I forgot that also. Alright, put some of this on. Feels way better. And I'll put some of these cream under my eyes. Alright, good. Let me go put it back now. I think it was right there, and that one was down there, I think. Perfect. Let me go put my clothes on. Finally. Alright, put my clothes on. Alright. Now I can finally actually get up and get ready to go. Put some perfume on. But I'm gonna put that back up there. And I need to get my purse, of course. Alright, got my purse and put my phone in there. And I need to put my wallet in there, of course. Alright, let me go get that. Alright, it's over here. Get my wallet, put that in there. Alright, ready to go. Let me open the door. Get my keys. Alright, let me get out. I need to go get me a drink. Oh, close the door. I think I have mail today. Let me check before I get in an elevator. Oh yeah, I do. Are you kidding me? Now I have to go back in the house. I guess it's fine. put it on the table. I'll open it when I get back home. Alright, finally go get a drink. Really thirsty. Alright, let's go downstairs. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ariana. Alright, finally. Go get me a matcha, or I might get a coffee or something. I don't know, actually. Not as long as a line today. So you're telling me you don't have my drink, huh? I'm very sorry, ma'am, but we do not have that. You know, I should sue you. How don't you have my drink? I paid for it. I don't know what to tell you. I have to get this other order. Oh, fine. I'll just leave then. What kind of useless door that? She seems pretty mad. Anyway. Hi, I'm ordering another 6-7. Of course you are. Here's your order, ma'am. Thank you. Get my drink and my stuff. You have a nice day, ma'am. I need to go to Sephora. You not have a nice day too, lady. I'm so sick of those Sephora kids. Let me go. Next. Hi, my name is Ariana, and can I get a what? I don't have all day, ma'am. Sorry. It's fine. I'll get a frappuccino. Is that okay? Yeah, that's okay. Sorry, that other lady, she was acting really rude. No, I totally get it. I would be mad if I get customers like that every day. Alright, go sit over here, wait for my drink. Ma'am, you forgot to pay. Oh, yeah, sorry about that. Let me just get my card out. I'm very sorry about that, sorry. Here you go. Thank you. Alright, let me just swipe that. Alright, here you go. Yeah, sorry about that again. Having a rough day. Alright, Frappuccino order number 79, Ariana? Yes, that is me. Alright, let me go get my drink. Hi, here's your drink, ma'am. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Time to go to the store. Or I might go somewhere else. I don't know. Alright, let me go. Finally I made it here. Hi, Miss Bridgerton. Oh, hi, Ariana. You need a pie today? No pie today, just shopping. Okay, I'm here. Whatever you need, check out. Okay. Let me go get a basket. Alright, let me see what my list is. Alright, my grandma, she wanted some apples. And what else did she want? I think she wanted some cherries. She asked for a pumpkin for pumpkin pie. And she asked it for some, what is on this? Oh, that says sugar. She asked for some sugar. Yeah, that's all the list today. This is all for today. Okay, baby. Let me check you out. Thank you so much. Is your grandma doing good, huh? Yeah, she's doing good. Oh, that's really good. That's really good. She must be making some pumpkin pie. So you have a pumpkin? Yes, she is. Alright, here is all your groceries today, Ariana. Thank you so much, Miss Person. It's on the house today. Oh, no, that's okay. I can pay. That's fine. Oh, I don't accept it. Oh, no, it's totally fine. Here. You did so much for me before. I wouldn't do that. Here you go. Thank you so much, Ariana. Here's your car back, baby. You have a nice day, Miss Bridgerton. You too, Ariana. Alright, and she wanted some seeds, some tomato seeds, I think. I think they're over here. Miss Callie should be here today. Oh, hi, Miss Callie. Oh, hi, Ariana. Are you here for some tomato seeds? Yep, how did you already know? My grandma needs some tomato seeds for today. I think we have some. Let me see. Let me look through it. Okay. I don't think we have any tomato seeds for today, hon. I'm sorry. Do you need anything? Oh, that's fine. Do you have beets, Elise? Yeah, we have that. I can get that for you. Here you go, hon. Thank you so much, Miss Callie. You're welcome, baby. Come back anytime you need to. You have a nice day. You too, Ariana. Alright, that should be it, and I need to head to my grandma's house now. I finally made it. That was a long drive. Sometimes I forget how long it takes to get here. Open the gate. Who hat is that? Must be Grandpa's. Alright, time to go up this hill. She still has Christmas decorations, Halloween decorations up. Miss Nappy, you look mad today. What happened to you? Anyway, let me knock on the door. Honey, can you go get the door? My back kinda hurts today. Yes, I will go get it. Come in. Oh, Ariana. Hi, is Grandma here today? Yeah, she's here. Come on in, come on in. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, she's right over here, Come on, sit. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Ariana. Are you doing good? Yes, I'm doing excellent. I got your groceries today. Oh, thank you, Ariana. Did you get the tomato seeds? They didn't have tomato seeds, but they had beets. I know you needed some of those also. Oh, thank you. That's okay. I'll probably go tomorrow to get some tomato seeds. Yeah, it was a long drive. Oh, you must be hungry then. Sit, take a seat. I'm not really that hungry. Oh no. You can at least eat when you get back home. I made some spaghetti. Where did I put those plates again? Honey, where's the plates? They should be in the cabinet. Oh, they're not here. Let me check the drawers. Not in that one. It was just another drawer. I'm getting really old. Alright, let me put this in here. Yeah, Ariana, I got you some spaghetti you can eat when you get home. Oh, thank you, Grandma, so much. I'll for sure eat it when I... Oh, yes, I know it's gonna be a long drive to get there. Yeah, I'll probably eat it when I'm done working. Thank you so much, Grandma. Oh, you're welcome, my dear. You're welcome. Is there anything else I can do for you? You can go ahead and sweep outside or something. Okay, I'll go ahead and do that. Alright. Get the broom. I'll sweep the paddles outside. Yeah, I'll go sweep the paddles. Mr. Napkins still looks mad. Be mad, Mr. Napkins. Anyway, or nappies. Sorry, I said your name wrong. Alright, just sweep off these. Alright, oof, I'm finally done. I'm out of breath. Alright, put the broom back. Grandma, I'm done sweeping outside. Oh, thank you so much, baby. Well, I have to get heading now. Bye. Bye, darling, bye. Alright, I'll call you later. Bye, Grandma. Don't forget to eat my spaghetti. I won't forget. Alright. Perfect. Bye, Mr. Napkins. Or Nappies. Why do I keep forgetting his name? Anyway, I have to go. She doesn't have any mail today in her mailbox. Ariana signing in? Checking in, my bad. So tired from getting home. You're still sleeping? Yeah, he still is. I know you're out of breath now, okay? You should stop. I'm not sweeping and mopping, and it needs to be shiny. If you say so. Time to go upstairs and put on some PJs or something comfy. I'm so tired. I'm so sleepy. Anyway, I need to go record a YouTube video in a second. Go put this spaghetti up. I'll eat it later. It's good enough. Alright, put my purse down. Get my wallet and my phone out of it. Perfect. Alright. Alright, put my wallet over here. Alright, and I'll put my phone right there. I need to change to something comfy now. That looks good. Just put this on. Put that in there. I'll go watch it later or something. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna record a YouTube video. Alright, let me turn this on. Alright, get ready. Okay, let me set this up. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will be playing different Roblox games because I saw somebody comment this in the comments. I'll see you guys next time. See you later and peace. Bye. I'm tired after that. I'm tired. And I'm hungry. Alright, I'll go get some spaghetti. Alright, get the spaghetti. Alright, let me go get my computer. And I think I'm gonna go to the rooftop. I don't know. Anyway, let me open the door now. Go out to the rooftop. Alright, and let me... finally I made it here. It's raining outside. I didn't know it was still raining. Yeah, anyway, turn on the lights. It should stop raining soon. Anyway, I'm gonna watch some YouTube, and I'm gonna eat my spaghetti. This smells good. Put the plate down there. Now I'm just gonna relax and chill. Oh, it finally stopped raining. Looks like the sun is going down. I'll stay out here for just a little longer. What else should I watch? Let me pick a different video. Ooh, I didn't know I still had this. I think I might go upstairs now. It's getting a little too sunny. This should be good. It's only being out here for a day or two. That's fine. I don't really care. Plus, I don't really have anything to drink in the house, so I'll just go up there and drink this and lay down probably. Alright, finally made it up here. I didn't know that candle was still lit. Anyway. Okay. What's that? I think I'm gonna watch it on my, I think I'm gonna actually watch it on my other computer. Well, should I call it? It doesn't really matter. I'm tired. Anyway, get me a cup. Alright, finally, and I can go sit over here and put on some YouTube. I guess I'll just watch an old video of mine. Relax and drink me some of this soda or sparkling water. I'll stay out. I'll just stay for a little longer. I don't think it's been a little too long watching this video. Should turn off my laptop. Computer, doesn't matter. Alright, you put on some pajamas. Let me go turn on these lights. Perfect. Yeah, it was too dark in here. Anyway, let me go in here. Get me some tea. Alright. And let me go put this over here. Take me a nice bath before I put on my PJs and lay down. Oh, wait. I forgot. Maybe I should get a candle. Alright. Now I can go put this up there. Alright. So relaxing. Drink my tea. Let me light my candle. Like so. Alright, perfect. Got it. So relaxing. Alright. Now all I have to do is I can just take this mask off and put on my skincare. Blow out this candle. Or I could put it up there. I think I'll put it up there so the house can at least smell good. Alright, put that right there. Alright. I'll go put this cup up. I'll do it in a second actually. Yeah. Give me some skincare. Alright. Take off this mask. Put some of this sunscreen on. Whatever this stuff is. I kind of just bought it because I saw it on TikTok shop. And I'm gonna put some of these drops so my skin can be moisturized. Alright, put this stuff back, of course. Right there. Let me put this up. Alright, close that. Okay, now I should take the cup in the kitchen. Alright. Let me put on my PJs. Pajamas. I don't really care if I put on these Christmas ones. Turn off all these lights probably. I don't really care actually. I'm really sleepy. Turn on my TV. Alright. So I can actually, I think I'm gonna turn off the kitchen light. I might turn off these lights also. I don't really know. That's fine. Alright, turn off these lights. Perfect. Blow out the candle. Alright. And let me go. And lay down. Turn my phone off. Put my sleepy mask on. Time to go to sleep. you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Say your current peace. Bye. Comment down below which more talk about.